Hi guys, welcome back to a new unboxing video. Today we're going to have a look at the Logitech Zone Wired, the wired version of the Logitech Zone series, which are headsets, over-ear headsets, and this wired version also has a cable with call controls on it. So let's not wait any longer, let's unbox. Alright, so the Logitech Zone Wired. As soon as we open the box, we have the small introduction, the guidance on how to use the device, what will happen if you do, if you press this button or if you do a certain action, and you already have the headset itself. And you have the Logitech with the call controls as well, and you have the cable right here, which you need to fiddle out as you can with this lever. You also see the attachment, it is USB-C, but there's also a dongle included which converts the USB-C to USB-A if you want to. And underneath the headset there is also a bag which you can use to carry around your headset without damaging it if you want to. So if we release the cable, let's put it like that, and we will have already a view on what the headset is about. It's pretty much the same as the Zone Wireless, if you've seen that video already. And you have a nylon cable. It's a really ruggedized, steady cable, which also has a clip-on. So if you're not really a fan of a cable just hanging around your neck, you can also use this clip-on to attach the cable to your t-shirt or to your clothing if you want to. And other than that, you have this cable, USB-C, USB-A if you want to, which you need to plug in into your computer, and then the call controls will activate. Other than that, no particular buttons on the headset itself. It's all controlled with this call control feature. I'll put this into my laptop right now. So if I just plug it in, you will immediately see that the call controls will lighten up. And as soon as this is white, you will be able to start using the headset as well. So I'll continue my explanation while wearing this headset. Alright, so I'm now talking through this headset. One thing that I already need to say is that if your microphone isn't really in front of your face, it doesn't really take the noise as it needs to. If I put it like that, you will immediately hear that the voice is less louder than it needs to be. While I'm putting it right in front of my mouth, it's a bit louder and a bit clearer. So really be careful where you place the microphone. It's your own personal favorite as well. If you need to put it a bit less loud, or if you want to be clear as possible, then you need to adjust the microphone. But other than that, really nice, comfortable seating, nice earmuffs as well, really high quality headband as well. The cable also doesn't really bother me, to be fair, which is really nice. And if I want to, I just use this clip-on to use the cable right that, and then I'm not really, the cable isn't really loose around me. So that's a really plus. And then you have these these call controls with these buttons, where you can use the mute button as well to mute your microphone, of course. But also if you put your microphone up, it will also auto mute. And so if you do that, it will also automatically go to red as well, as I'm going to show you right now. You won't hear me now. But as you saw, the lighting went red, so you also have a visual view of when your mic is muted, yes or no. You also hear a voice saying mute on, mute off. Same goes for the call controls, which is the play button on the underneath the call control. So if you're listening music or anything else and you want to press play or pause the music, you just use this button. And the middle button is obviously to pick up your Teams calls, because again, this headset is a Teams certified headset. So if you have an incoming call, you just press the pickup button. And on the side, you have two little buttons to turn up or to turn down the volume as well if you want to. So yeah, I've shown pretty much everything that I need you to show. One thing that is really handy to know, by the way, is if you're using Logitune, which I'm going to write an extended blog post about, which you can find down below, you can adjust some settings, your input volume, output volume, the behavior of your microphone, the behavior of your buttons. So it's really yeah, a good it's really yeah, it's really a recommendation to install it on your computer, Logitune, because it allows you to do a lot of enhancements to your headset. So yeah, this was the headset. Back to the sound of the camera to go to the summary. All right, so this is Logitech Zone Wired. In my opinion, it's like the small brother of the wireless version of it. It looks the same, it feels the same as well. It has the same quality as well. Looking at output quality, input quality as well. Biggest difference, of course, is that the microphone is a bit longer. It's not next to your cheek, so it's really in front of your mouth as well. The call controls aren't on the earmuffs as well, but are on the cable instead. And lastly, there is no active noise cancelling on here as well, and contrary to the wireless version. But in my opinion, it's not really that bad, because if you're already wearing it, you don't need really active noise cancelling to already be in a focus zone because of the high quality earmuffs you're wearing. So yeah, Logitech Zone Wired. If you need another video, or if you want to look at another video, really subscribe. We will have a lot more unboxings coming up as well. Like it, share it, do whatever you want with it. Comment down below, and look, of course, in the description for the next blog. And I will see you in one of my next unboxings.